Hello everyone. This is the answer key for the exam of Haryana Judiciary, which was held on 13 November 2021 for the set A. Let's start. The answer of question 1 is option A, that is, if the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding 1 year but not exceeding 3 years. The answer of question 4 is on a person who affirms it. The answer of question second is may be proved either by primary or by secondary evidence, that is option C. The answer of question fifth is question fifth is option D, that is arbitrator. The answer of question 6 is C, that is only when the withdrawal from the society is without a valid excuse. The answer of question third is option C, that is both A and B are correct. The answer of question 7th is B, that is voidable. The answer of question 8th is option C, that is cognates. The answer of question 9th is option D, that when the wife has ceased to be a Hindu. The answer of question 13 is sale without the consent of authority of owner, that is option D. The answer of question 10th is option D, that is a Hindu who has a Hindu daughter cannot adopt a son. This option is incorrect. The answer of question 14 is option C, that is article 116. The answer of question 11th is option B, that is an agreement to sell the goods. The answer of question 15 is option B, that is insolvent. The answer of question 16 is option A, 15,000. The answer of question 12 is option C, that is both A and B. The answer of question 17 is option D, that is Manohar Lal Sharma versus Union of India. The answer of question 18 is option B, that is Khush Kalra versus Union of India. The answer of question 23 third is option A, a void contract is void ab initio. This option is incorrect. Question number 19. The answer of this question is Manan Kumar Sharma, option A. The answer of question 24th is A, the Poster rule. The answer of question 20 is option D, that is the ultraviolet rays convert 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin into vitamin D. The answer of question 21 is option C, formal expression of the court of an adjudication determining the rights of the parties. The answer of question 25th is option D, that is the doctrine of frustration is applicable when the rights and obligation of the parties arise under a transfer of property under a lease. This option is incorrect. The answer of question 22 is option A, that is only a judgment in personam can be challenged. Question number 26. The answer of this question is person not wanted, that is option B. The answer of question 31 is voidable at the instance of co-partner. The answer of question 27 is criminal breach of trust. The answer of question 32 is option B, that is section 22. The answer of question 28 is option B, that is section 78 of IPC. The question of 33 is option C, that is section 26. The answer of question 34 is Option A, total repudiation of the obligation of marriage. The answer of question 29th is option B, culpable homicide. The answer of question 35 is presumption of fact, a rebuttable presumption of law, that is option C, because it is shall presume. The answer of question 30 is of any is that is option D. The answer of question 36 is option B, that is section 100A. The answer of question 37 is none of the above. The answer of question 42 is option C, that is section 354C. The answer of question 38 is option C, a mere right to sue for damages. The answer of question 43 is option C, of above 7 years of age but below 12 years, having attained sufficient maturity and understanding. The answer of question 39 is option C, that is to file a restoration petition in the same court. This was given in Order 7, Rule 13. The answer of question 40 is option C, when further proceedings have to be taken before the suit to be completely disposed of. The answer of question 44 is option C, that is forgery. The answer of question 45 is option D, that is Australia. The answer of question 41 is option B, A has committed no offence. The answer of question 46 is option B, that is 48 CGI. The answer of question 47 is option C, McMahon line. The answer of question 52 is never, option D. 48, option B, Kiran Rijiju. 53, D, both. 49, D, either bride or bridegroom. 54, option D, SR Bommai versus Union of India. 50, B, marriage is valid but calls for imposition of penalty. 55, option C, Deputy Prime Minister. 51, A, Shamsher Singh versus State of Punjab. 56, B, that is 2009. 57, C, Trial of Juveniles. 58, B, Chapter 11. 63, D, 5 years. 166A, investigation outside India. 64, long usage is sufficient, option C. 60, remand home. 65, in utmost good faith, option B. 61, D, lease of immovable property exceeding 1 year. 66, Marbury versus Madison. 62, C, the controller. 67, Sir Eliza Imple. 68, Rajasthani. 69, the pupil. 75, C, the legal advisor. 70, Article 44, option C. 76, capital punishment in India, option A. 71, C, electronic record. 77, A, question of fact. 72, A, substantive piece of evidence. 78, mischief, option B. 73, A, section 32. 74, A. Section 161(5). 79. C. Section 166 of IPC. 80. Section 507 of IPC. Option B. 84. Section 11 explanation 6, that is option C. 81. Option B. Option C. Section 19. 85. Option C. 82. B. That is substituted performance of contract. 86. C. Relation between the organism and the environment. 83. Option C. It would impede or delay the progress or completion of any infrastructure project. 87. C. 7. India won 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze medals. 88. D. Justice H.R. Khanna. 89. B. Finland. 94. C. Both plaintiff and defendant. 90. C. Reading Mission Haryana. 95. A. Partly true. 91. B. Rate 25,000. 96. C. Both movable and immovable property. 92. D. Both A and C. 97. B. Class 2 hairs. 93. C. Declaratory decree. 98. Both cannot inherent. That is 98D. And I am not sure about 98's answer, so please cross check it. 99. Option B. Imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and fine. 104. C. The accused. 100. Permanent dedication of movable and immovable property. Option C. 105. Abatement of appeal. Option C. 106. C. Novation of contract. 101. Option D. Section 172 of CRPC. 102. Section 309 of CRPC. 107. Option D. All of the above. 103. At any time before the pronouncement of judgment. That is option D. 108. Void. Option C. 109. Option B. Section 41. 114. A. Specific state of mind. 110. C. AI Salvador. 115. B. For contradicting the witness, which is given under section 162 of CRPC. 111. Option A. Primary evidence. 112. Option A. Corroborative evidence can be used. 116. Option A. Valid. 113. C. Ukaram versus State of Rajasthan. 117. Option D. When an alteration is made in the name of the firm. 118. Option D, that is all of the above. 122. Option D, that is all of the above. 1, 2 and 3. 119. Option C, the person executing the document. 123. Section 44 of CRPC. 120. D, 4 months. 124. Option B, section 57 of CRPC. 121. Section 416 of CRPC. And the last one, 125. That the answer of 125 is option B, that is in addition to the substantive sentence imposed. That's all. This is the full answer key for the set A for the exam of Haryana Judiciary. If anybody have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box given below. And we will also post the video for the expected cutoff for this paper very soon. It may be tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Please watch this video. Please share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you everyone.